Good morning, students. I welcome all of you once again to our computer class, and here we are going to see some of your practical procedures from your practical record, and they are from HTML fundamentals. Okay, actually, I am using Notepad++, which is the latest version, but we'll go to normal Notepad. Control C, copied, and how to open this normal notepad? Just right click anywhere on your desktop and you got the shortcut window, and in this go to new and text document. This is our notepad file. So we'll open this and we'll paste our program here. So this is our HTML code, and see here the basic structure of HTML file is, first one is HTML opening tag and last one is HTML ending tag, closing tag, and then heading, head tag, and then body tag. Okay, see, head tag we opened here and we closed here, and body tag here. Okay, fine. We have paragraph tag and this break here, and these are different headers. Okay, we'll see how to save this and run. And yesterday I told you, uh, when we save any file with extension html.html, then automatically web page is created. See here, here we have only recycle bin and this PC icons and folders, and we have one notepad file, right? We don't have anything else on our desktop. Now we'll save this. Go to file, save as 1.html and select all files. Save. See here, this is our web page. When we save this with .html extension, immediately this web page is created. Okay, just open this. Opening a web page means when we see the output of a program, that is called running that program. Okay, so this is the output. See, we gave this head welcome, no, here we gave welcome and we have welcome here, and our title is here, web page, and then this is in paragraph tags and they are headers. First h1, this is h2, and this is h3, h4, h5 and h6. Okay, now this is your second program. Okay, we'll copy this also otherwise, and we'll go to notepad and we'll copy this. And our second program is about paragraph tag. This is our paragraph tag, and see here, this is our tag and element, and this align, this is the attribute of this paragraph tag. Okay, first HTML, heading, title, we have all these things, and then in body we have paragraph, we are writing something. Paragraph tag is very important and basic tag of HTML. It is used to go to the next line, leaving one line blank. So we are writing this text. In MS Word we have alignment options. You remember, in paragraph group we have left alignment, right alignment, like that we have different alignment options. But here in HTML, if we want that same alignments in web pages, then in paragraph tag where we are including this text, in that tag we have to give this attribute. Okay, now we'll save this. We'll give 2.html and save as all files type and save. See here, second web page. Just open this and you can see, paragraph tag. This is first one we gave is center alignment. See, this is center, and second paragraph we gave left alignment, and the third one is right. So here is our web page, and see, this is in center and this started from left margin, and right alignment goes to right margin. Alignment, I hope you all know what is this alignment first of all. This is very basic concept of formatting. So we place our text with respect to the margin. When we say center, it leaves equal space in both the sides, to left margin and to right margin. And when we say left alignment, it doesn't leave any space in left margin. It starts immediately with the left margin and it leaves the remaining space in right side. And when we say right alignment, it doesn't leave any space in right margin and all the remaining spaces in the left side only. Okay, so this is how we use alignment in web pages. I hope you understand these two. One is a very basic one and the next one is how to use paragraph tag in HTML. Now the third one. This is very simple one, students. Just how to give line break in paragraph or in text. Okay, so just we use br break tag. We'll go to notepad and we'll copy this and see here. In body we want to display this text. HTML code defines all the elements of web documents. The most common elements are what is there? Page title, paragraph, list, table, etc. Fine. So we don't want this whole text in single line or it's just as paragraph. We wanted it in points, suppose. So we just inserted this BR break tag here. See how it looks when we run this. 3 and here is our web page, and see where we have inserted a break just after the web documents, and see here automatically after this web documents it came to the text came to new line, right? So this is how we give break. Now the fourth one, this is the text styles. In MS Word we have bold, italic, underline and all, no? Directly we have options there. But how to give that same styles in web pages? This is how we give. I can run from here also, but this font is very small, no? That's why I am taking normal notepad files. See, this B tag, that means bold, and this is I means italic and U means underline. And see, after this bold italic we gave breaks here, and after this heading we gave 2 breaks, that means 2 lines space. Fine, we'll save this also and see now. Where is our web page 4? Here. See, text styles, this is our heading and bold. You can see now this difference. Bold letters BOLD, they are in bold, they are thick, right? They are dark. And this italic, they are slanting right side, and this is underlined, right? So this is how we give text styles in HTML. I hope you understand these four programs, very simple ones. Okay, so you can learn now, and if you have computer you can practice.